So these are the roots. I'll go through it. So a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. That's the first root. If you divide it, that will be m minus n. If you're talking about a bracket to the power of that will be times it, m times n. If you've got a minus sign in that means 1 over a to the power m. What we remark is, so ignoring what, for example, you got b in front, a minus m. Now this minus m is only for the a. So what you get is b times 1 over a to the power m, which equals to b over a minus m. And if it is 1 over m, that will be square root of m, which means how many roots you're doing. So it is square root. That will be, if it is 1/2, then that will be square root. If it is a third, that will be a cube root, and so on and so forth. And the last one is just basically combine this with all these or others. So where a to the power n over m, you're talking about, because over equals to root. You can root it first. I mean, you can cube or whatever. You square first, or to the power or something first, and then you root it. Or you can root it first and then you use the power. It will give you the same answer in A level. But of course, you're going to choose the easy way. Sometimes this number is so huge that when you go to power it, so you rather just root it first and then multiply it. You to the power or something. So x to the power square times x to the power fifth. So you're talking about playing with the first root. First root, then just add it together. 2 plus 5 to the power x 7. 2r squared times 3r cubed. The next question in here, that is a little bit more complicated than just purely this, but it's just algebra. So when you talk about 2 times it 3, 2 times it by 3, 6. 2 times it by 3, 6, and your index law stated that it's times 2 times r squared times r cubed, you get 2 plus 3 r to the power 5th, and that's the answer. B to the power 4 divided by b to the power 4. I mean, it's pretty obvious, it's 1, but let's do it still using an index law just as a practice. So 4 minus 4, that will be 0. But what does power 0 mean? Power 0 means 1, always. Anything to the power 0 always equals 1. Now the next question is similar to this, just playing with index law. So similar in here, when you times it, you 2 times 3, if you divide, and 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Okay, but then we have to mess with this. Minus 3 divided by x to the power minus 5. Don't need to be scared, even though it looks complicated. Just use your index law. That's index law. Divide, right? Divide, right? Just follow it. Minus 3 by index law, it will be minus. And that will be a trick in it. If you just purely put minus 5 in, that will be wrong. Now, because so okay, 2x minus 3 minus n. That's index law stated. If a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a m minus n minus, that's a minus sign, and n is not 5 in this case, and in here is minus 5, which means you're doing minus 5, which equals to 2x minus 3 plus 5 equals to 2x squared. Well, minus 3 plus 5 is 2, right? So the answer is 2x squared. That is a very common mistake when you're playing index law. You need to be very clear about algebra is. And is negative, doesn't matter, you can put it in. Minus, give you a positive. You actually get over a times, a plus. Let's see the next question. Next question is, let's say, index law. Just pick the correct one. This one, times it in. A times 2. Just do this first. So a to the 6 times 2a squared. So that would be pretty simple as this question, where you just times it, plus it, the index plus it together, and the number in front you just times it to the x6 plus 2 equals to 8. I'm doing it in a long way, so it's just clearly showing how you do it. In exam, you can skip that, just go to the answer directly. But here you'll be so clear what you're doing as a tutorial. Then the very last question will be this. Index law, right? Index law stated that you just times it, right? If you're doing this, that will be wrong. Now this is because look at the bracket. The bracket included the 3 as well, which means that you are not doing just 2 times 3 in the index, but actually the cube also give it to the 3. So the correct one should be 3 cubed x 2 times 3 divided by x 4. I just do it step by step. 3 cubed is 27, x 6 divided by x 4. Then use another index law, divide, right? Minus 27x 6 minus 4 equals 27x squared. That simple. Share and like if you find it useful. Comment on it for the next topic you want me to cover.